perfect example of hitting the high on SINA. The price level that we hit on that intraday high was right in our price channel ranges in our platform. We can see the high here, 70.75, and the low, and we have that reversal. Now, the half bar here is $70.01. And there are going to be support levels down here where SINA will come and bounce intraday. The time is 7:04 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 34 minutes of the opening bell. 3 minutes ago, we peaked here at the tops, and now we're going to pull to support. We're going to look for that support level and another round of flash trades on higher highs. So you can clearly see at 70.75, and SINA is a long name that's been shorted all the way down when we were shorting it, way up there in highs around 125. The thing about it is that the amount of short squeeze to that current price level is that particular high. And once the shorts are always squeezed out intraday, that's when your short entries work. We're going to watch and see if we can get that high again. But we would look at trading off of the support level on SINA as it approaches its 10-minute period moving average at 82. That means that the pullback, because of the elevation of the IR, that means that pullback is strong. And you're still at 2.5, 2.61. That's 42 of those teenies. That equals $6.86. You're still up, but you're $1 off of the high here. You can clearly see where your ratios are. And you can clearly see that when you come here to a support level, is how do you take $1 from support level? You get your entry and you take $1 profit. On 1,000 shares, maybe you take 75 cents in that range when you test. Reversal high, opening bell, support level is going to come into play. 2.55 current ratio, and we're elevated, and we are closing below the previous half bar. Right now, that previous half bar close is 54 cents below that half bar to that 10-minute period at 84. That means your support level is comfortable in here. So when you're looking at making your transactions down here, to go back and challenge the high or a lower high, is where that first phase of the opening bell to the intraday high, to that support level. And what will I do? I will do simply, I will put limit orders in here at around 69.25. Okay, because if we get a little weaker and I come down to 69.25 here, I'll take a look and see where that price level is and get an entry long back up to either break the high or challenge a lower high at resistance. So when we define support as we are live, is we're defining how to buy at support, sell into resistance. Support levels on an opening bell, first hourly opening bell, go through a process of support levels between the buyers and the sellers. And we're going to take you down that road live each and every day. How to buy at support, sell at resistance. Our bids are 69.25. That's a little bit below the market, but the 10 minutes rising, the movement is strong within this 9-minute process between the actual buyer and seller. MMTs are making their adjustments within the buyer and the seller on round number 2. Shorting up at the high at 70.75 and buying at the lows at support. This is the price channel range. We're 69.25 on an entry, and we have a very strong movement. We're at 86 in our application. That means a pullback is very strong because of that number. Mr. MMTs and Mrs. MMTs, Miss MMTs, that is, you're breaking the ratio highs. Back up here, 2.68. And your pullback is strong. Why? Because of that and because of this. So 660 on that put option. We got that price line breaking those highs. That's why you get long. You got a $10 move up. There's that SINA trade. I gave a 660 bid over here. Anyway, I'm going to conclude the trade management on round 2 on SINA. How to buy at support, sell at resistance, sell short at highs on where my cursor is. Once again, SINA. On the opening bell in the MMT Live Market Maker School.